Hey everyone, I'm Jaleesa Jaikaran and I'm a makeup artist. Today we are going to be doing a glossy eye, glossy lip look. Now, I'm not going to be doing foundation in this video, but I will leave a link below. We're going to focus on the eyes, the lips, and the glow. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, keep on watching. So I'm using a mix of products on her lip. I have it on my metal palette, and what I'm doing is I'm holding her face ever so gently just to kind of get some stillness, because a red lip is something that you don't want to mess up on, whether it's matte or it's glossy. I'm using a flat brush from Haute, and what I'm doing is I'm really like filling the inside in, and then I'm going on the outside to make sure that I really get the inner corners, especially. Something that you want to do once you finish dancing, you want to get into the inner corners of the mouth. So I always ask my model or client to slightly open so I can really get the top and the bottom to connect. And just remember, it's important, whatever brush you're using, make sure that it can get sharp lines if that's the look that you're going for. You really want to be able to define and apply with this brush. Sometimes you can use different brushes to achieve one lip, but if you want, just make sure you have that one brush that'll be able to do it all. So before we add the gloss onto the eyes, I am tapping a highlighter on the lid first, just so it has a nice dimensional effect. There's so many highlighters I like, Madina, Nude, Stix, Pat McGrath, oh my god, so many brands, and I have a palette with a mix of them, so I'm just tapping on the color on the lid, on the cheeks, before I go ahead with the gloss. When you're applying gloss, especially for a photo shoot, you want to make sure that you apply it like right before they start shooting, because then it's going to start getting icky and you're going to have to tap it off every second. So I'm now applying it with a flat brush. This brush is from Makeup Forever, and really just going over the entire lid. Somebody asked me about if you wanted to wear this look for like every day. I would say just use a very thin, tiny amount. This, you know, I'm on a shoot, so I'm using a lot, but use a very thin amount and see how you get on with that. And here I'm just using powder. I use a loose powder from Sasha. I believe it was Buttercup and Buttercup Light. I might have mixed it. And I want the skin to look very dewy, so I'm just gonna powder where I don't want to look shiny. So under the eyes, some parts of the forehead, and keep the cheeks and stuff looking very flushed and hydrated. So this is the finished look, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know what's your favorite gloss, because I feel like a lot of people love mattes, but I still love a really good gloss, and MAC's Vlamplfy and Kevyn Aucoin glosses are my favorites. So let me know what's your favorite down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you want to see from me in the future. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.